In today's video, we'll explore the groundbreaking technologies coming out of China, meet some of the most advanced robots in the world, and discuss how these innovations are set to change our future. Get ready to be amazed and maybe even a little bit shocked. So, buckle up and join us as we uncover how robots from China are not just participating in the global tech race, they're leading it. Galbot is a humanoid robot developed by Beijing Galbot, a robotics company founded in the Chinese capital in May 2023. The robot can grab designated items from racks, fold clothes, and open drawers and closets. The company focuses on developing robots with embodied artificial intelligence for industrial production and daily use. While traditional AI operates solely in the digital realm, EAI integrates digital AI with real-world applications, enabling robots to move, see, and interact with humans. Galbot, standing 173 centimeters tall, has a chassis that rotates 360 degrees. It can extend to reach a height of 2.4 meters and squat to perform tasks on the ground. Equipped with a system for sensing its environment and carrying out human commands, Galbot can identify specific items of different shapes or materials, autonomously navigate to them, and grasp them. According to Zhu, product director at Galbot, the robot is poised to be used in fields including automobile manufacturing and retail applications, like contactless supermarkets. The company is also exploring applications in logistics and agriculture. The development of China's robotics industry can be attributed to the Chinese government's policy support and progress in independent research and development. The boom of AI and machine learning brings infinite possibilities to the robotics industry, Zhu said. Expedition A1 by Astribot is a humanoid robot that stands 1.75 meters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. Initially designed for factory settings, this impressive robot also aims to find a place in household kitchens, making daily life easier for everyone. Expedition A1 can walk stably at speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour, demonstrating remarkable balance and agility. It's incredibly versatile, capable of performing a wide range of tasks, such as tightening bolts on assembly lines, using inspection tools with precision, conducting thorough vehicle exterior inspections, and even being utilized in complex laboratory experiments. Astribot's ambitious goal is to further develop Expedition A1 into a reliable household assistant. Imagine a future where the robot can fetch and pour water for you, deliver medications with care, and efficiently perform household chores like preparing ingredients, cooking meals, and even cleaning up afterward. The possibilities don't end there. In the future, Expedition A1 could be a valuable educational aid, helping children with their homework by providing explanations, guidance, and even giving a thumbs up for good work, fostering a positive learning environment. Limex Dynamics introduced a new humanoid robot called CL1. The Shenzhen, China-based company claims that CL1 can perform various tasks by closing the loop between real-time perception, gate planning, locomotion control, and hardware and data streams. During testing, CL1 used perception control to adjust its motion proactively. This allowed the robot to take smooth steps onto a curb, ascend stairs dynamically and fluidly, and walk down a 15-degree slope. The company tested CL1 indoors and outdoors, from afternoon to dusk, to evaluate its performance in different environmental conditions. Limex Dynamics expects its humanoid robots to be deployed in B2B and B2C applications. They plan to focus on hazardous scenarios, high-end customer service, automotive manufacturing, and in-home services. The company's environmental perception technology is a key part of the evolution of its humanoid robots. CL1 uses advanced algorithms to achieve full-loop integration of perception, controls, and hardware, according to Limex. This allows the robot to break free from the limitations of blind locomotion and achieve real-time interactive motion with its environment. The robot uses self-developed actuators, which the company claims provide exceptional impact resistance and precise, rapid torque control. All of its robots, from wheeled quadrupeds to humanoids, are based on a core set of algorithms. One of the most striking examples of Chinese humanoid robots comes from ExRobots, a company known for its lifelike androids. A recent video from inside their factory has shocked the internet, showing partially skinned humanoids with human-like hair, skin, and movements. This level of realism has plunged viewers deep into the uncanny valley, where human-like robots elicit a sense of unease and discomfort. ExRobots' approach to humanoid design is not without controversy, as the company has embraced the lifelike appearance of their creations. The attention to detail in the female robots, complete with goosebumps on their silicone skin, suggests a deliberate attempt to captivate and intrigue the audience. This strategy, while polarizing, has succeeded in drawing attention to the company's capabilities. While ExRobots humanoids may appear to be cutting-edge robotics, they are, in fact, highly advanced animatronics. The company's X Future Science and Technology Museum in Dalian showcases a range of lifelike characters, from Einstein to Edison, blurring the line between reality and fiction. Visitors can even control a humanoid head using motion capture, further immersing themselves in this uncanny world. While ExRobots may be grabbing headlines with their uncanny androids, the real story in Chinese humanoid robotics lies with companies focused on developing practical, general-purpose robots. In October 2023, XPeng, an automobile-focused company, introduced its self-developed humanoid bipedal robot, PX5. After 5 months of exploration, the robot has achieved stable walking capabilities and can navigate various obstacles, demonstrating stability across all terrains. Standing around 1.5 meters tall and sporting a silver-white color, PX5 resembles the Japanese anime character Astribot. Resistant to shock, the PX5 can withstand impacts and remain steady even when kicked. It can also maneuver on grass and rocky terrain, play football, ride Xiaomi's self-balancing scooter, and more. Research at Xpeng is also underway to develop new components to improve the performance of its humanoid robots while reducing costs. For example, the company has developed high-performance joints to achieve stable walking abilities, enabling the PX5 to walk indoors and outdoors for over 2 hours and overcome obstacles. Dexterity is another technical challenge that Xpeng is actively addressing. While other companies are cautious about developing robotic hands and prefer to wait for suitable suppliers, Xpeng has developed a series of robotic hands and mechanical arms. Xbot-L, developed by the company Robot Era, claims it is the first humanoid robot to climb the Great Wall of China. This claim is likely accurate since most humanoid robots are still confined to laboratories or factory floors, not exploring iconic tourist sites. While the Xbot-L may not be as swift as other more developed humanoids, it demonstrated a remarkable ability to navigate the uneven and broken pavement of the Great Wall. It also adeptly handled stairs and even performed Tai Chi moves upon reaching one of the wall's guard towers. Robot Era attributes these capabilities to its proprietary reinforcement learning technology, which allows the Xbot-L to manage unpredictable surfaces and explore dimly lit areas effectively. Perceptive RL algorithms help to strengthen the robot's perceptive and decision-making capacity in the face of unfamiliar terrains. The robot thus can recognize complex road conditions and adjust its walking stance in a timely manner, said Yue Shi, co-founder of Robot Era, in a statement. While the Xbot-L's climb may not significantly advance humanoid robotics, it serves as an ingenious promotional stunt by Robot Era, a company incubated by the Institute of Cross-Disciplinary Information Sciences at Tsinghua University in Beijing. By showcasing a humanoid robot on one of the world's most iconic monuments, Robot Era normalizes the presence of these robots in everyday settings and sparks the public's imagination. As humanoid robots like the Xbot-L become more common, it's interesting to speculate about their future interactions in public spaces. In the future, we could potentially witness a new humanoid robot climbing the Eiffel Tower in Paris. As we move closer to a future where humanoid robots are a common sight, the Xbot-L's journey up the Great Wall stands as proof that these machines can do almost anything humans usually do. Another Chinese firm making advanced strides in this realm is Astribot. This innovative company is a Shenzhen-based subsidiary of Stardust Intelligence and is a leading robotics firm focused on developing state-of-the-art AI robot assistants. Utilizing sophisticated imitation learning techniques, The S1 robot developed by Astribot can execute a myriad of intricate tasks that are highly beneficial to humans. It mirrors the operational speed and adaptability typically seen in adults, allowing it to perform complex actions with remarkable dexterity. For instance, the robot's pace is adept enough to smoothly pull a tablecloth from beneath a stack of wine glasses without causing them to topple. Additionally, the S1 robot exhibits impressive speed and remarkable precision, seamlessly executing tasks such as opening and pouring wine, delicately shaving a cucumber with expert finesse, flipping a sandwich in a frying pan with perfect timing, and even executing intricate calligraphy with artistic flair. Subcon Technology announced its first self-developed humanoid, Navigator Alpha, this year. The Navigator Alpha is 1.5 meters tall and weighs 50 kilograms. It has lightweight mechanical arms with dexterous hands and multiple degrees of freedom. These hands feature 15 finger joints, 6 active degrees of freedom, a fingertip force of 10 N, a lightweight design of 600 grams, and a joint speed of 150 degrees per second. Moreover, Navigator Alpha revolutionizes the integration of mechanism control, imitation learning, and reinforcement learning, leveraging innovative technologies like large-scale AI models to achieve groundbreaking advancements in both hardware and algorithms. It has already been deployed and highly recognized in several field-proven projects. China-based Humanoid Robots has unveiled Qinglong, a life-size general-purpose humanoid robot at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2024 in Shanghai. Standing at 5 feet 9 inches tall, Qinglong has dexterous human-like hands, allowing it to perform precise tasks such as manipulating objects. On display at Weyuk, Qinglong picked up soft objects such as bread without damaging them. The humanoid robot also picked up and put down several objects, including cups, with ease. Qinglong's built-in AI software can determine the level of strength needed to pick up a specific object. Qinglong weighs 176 pounds and has a bionic torso that offers the robot agile movement and anthropomorphic motion control. It has up to 43 active degrees of freedom, allowing for a wide range of motion. The robot is capable of athletic and off-road capabilities, according to the team. Introducing the XR4, also known as the Seven Fairies, the latest humanoid robot developed by Data Robotics. Made from lightweight, high-strength carbon fiber composite material, the XR4 stands at 168 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. This innovative robot is equipped with over 60 intelligent flexible joints, allowing it to perform a wide range of movements with remarkable precision and fluidity. The XR4 seamlessly integrates with the Data Cloud Brain in real time, which enables it to process and respond to complex commands almost instantaneously. This integration is powered by the Multimodal Large Model Robot GPT, which supports multimodal fusion, allowing the XR4 to combine visual, auditory, and tactile inputs for more sophisticated interactions. One of the standout features of the XR4 is its ability to undergo intelligent training. This training allows the robot to achieve a stable standing posture, perform nimble dual-arm and hand manipulations, and even learn intricate dance routines. Imagine a future where the XR4 assists with household chores, cares for children, and provides companionship to the elderly. Walker S by Ubitech Robotics is a practical and smart humanoid robot meticulously designed for versatility in various tasks and environments. Its core function is to become an indispensable part of daily human life, seamlessly integrating into routines and activities. Walker's advanced and flexible full-body control system ensures the utmost safety during interactions with humans, protecting users from potential accidents. Its arms are engineered to mimic human movements with high precision, greatly expanding its functionality and interaction possibilities, making it capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Walker is equipped with the ability to navigate various terrains, which makes it highly adaptable to different settings, whether indoors or outdoors. It communicates effectively with humans through a sophisticated high-tech speech recognition system, allowing it to understand and respond to verbal commands accurately. Furthermore, Walker can imitate 28 different facial expressions, significantly enhancing its ability to interact meaningfully and empathetically with humans. This feature allows it to not only perform tasks, but also to connect on an emotional level. It is not just a robotic assistant, but a genuine companion that can understand and respond to emotional cues. Tiangong is described as the world's first full-sized humanoid robot, capable of running solely on electric drive. Tiangong can maintain a steady speed of 6 kilometers per hour. Developed by the Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center Company, the robot is an independently developed humanoid robot platform ready for broader industry adoption. Standing at 163 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms, Tiangong is equipped with multiple visual perception sensors and boasts a computing power of 550 trillion operations per second. Tiangong has demonstrated human-like running capabilities and offers open-source compatibility for further expansion, facilitating broader commercial applications, according to a developer briefing. The company, officially registered in the Beijing Economic Technological Development Area, was jointly established by enterprises that make complete robots, core components, and large models of robots, according to Xinhua News Agency. Kuavo, by Leju Robotics, is the first domestic open-source humanoid robot capable of jumping and walking on various terrains. It is currently being introduced into households to perform tasks such as laundry, watering plants, flower arranging, and hanging clothes. Kuavo weighs about 45 kilograms and can walk in all directions with a maximum speed of 4.6 kilometers an hour. It can also jump to a height of 20 centimeters. According to the company, compared to its first version, which debuted in December 2023, Kuavo's upper limbs have significantly improved operational performance. It completes its tasks through object position recognition, terminal trajectory planning, and flexible object grasping. In terms of technical improvements, Kuavo's arms have 28 plus degrees of freedom, and its ability to control whole body motion has been greatly enhanced. Kuavo runs on Qinglong OS, which is based on the Open Harmony system. It has an open-source motion controller that can be connected to various modules. The Unitree G1, which stands 1.27 meters tall, is shorter than its predecessor, the Unitree H1. However, its body flexibility has been significantly improved thanks to 43 motors that act as joints. This allows it to fold for easy transport, despite its 35 kilograms of weight. Among its abilities, it can accurately manipulate a wide variety of objects, from cracking nuts to opening bottles, although not with the greatest delicacy. It also has contact sensors and can move at a speed of 2 meters per second. The robot is equipped with cameras and a 3D LiDAR system in the head to detect objects around it, while its huge battery gives it a 2-hour autonomy. Unlike the new Atlas, the Unitree G1 is already available for sale for a price of $16,000. The company has launched 2 versions of the robot, the standard G1 and the G1 EDU, the latter with greater endurance and strength in the limbs, as well as the ability to integrate an NVIDIA Jetson Orin chip, although its price has not yet been revealed. Lastly, we would like to highlight GR1 by Fourier Intelligence. Fourier Intelligence has been manufacturing exoskeletons and rehabilitation devices since 2017. The Singapore-based company launched its first generation of humanoid robots this year, designated the GR1. The humanoid platform includes 40 degrees of freedom throughout its body. It measures 165 centimeters in height and weighs 55 kilograms. Fourier is exploring ways to deploy this device in disaster relief, senior care, and household service. It includes a large multimodal language model comparable to that which supports ChatGPT. This enables the robot to program itself to execute tasks, the company asserted. GR1 also features an integrated emotion AI module, a high-resolution oval display, and a circular microphone array for its voice recognition system. The GR1's robotic hands have 11 degrees of freedom, allowing it to securely grasp items, said Fourier. The user can direct the robot to retrieve items. The hands imitate the range of motion in human fingers when grabbing cylindrical and round objects, such as bottled water and electric screwdrivers. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.